Hi, welcome to A Bite of Everything. Today we are cooking the classic Vietnamese pork chop. To start, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, followed by 1.5 tablespoons of chopped lemongrass, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped shallots, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix the marinade well. Add the marinade to the rinsed pork chops and coat evenly. Once coated, let the meat marinate for 15 minutes, or if you want a deeper flavour, overnight. On medium to high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil to pan. Once heated, add the pork chop and cook for 7 to 9 minutes. Serve the pork chops with rice, optional sunny side up egg, some dipping sauce, and pickled radish and carrots.